Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on Google Meet. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about Google Meet. Here we go to Forcestop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.